Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing pages, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download an Unbounce landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download one of your Unbounce landing pages anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a high converting landing page is quite valuable, and sometimes you can sell them to other companies. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account, and this is the home screen that shows all the landing pages you might have. Now, in order to download a landing page in your Unbounce account, first make sure that you're working in the correct account. Right here on the top, click on the downward arrow and choose the client account. I just have this one right here. Once you click there, it will bring you to the pages screen, and then you just want to scroll through until you find the landing page that you would like to download. So for example, this one right here. And what we're going to do is here to the right, you're going to click on these three little dots. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this one here called download page. As a side note, I want to let you know, if you're simply trying to copy this performing landing page into another client, you can simply click right here, copy to a client, and you don't have to download anything. Once you click on copy to client, you want to go ahead and choose the client page you want to add that landing page into, and then you'll choose the domain that you're going to be using. But today we're going to go ahead and download it. So let me close this, and I'm going to click here and then download page. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this. It's letting you know that when you download your Unbounce landing page, you cannot use it in another service. So it's not going to work in WordPress or any other service provider. It will only work in Unbounce. So once you click on confirm down here, it's automatically going to email you a downloadable link to your landing page. And then with that link, you can share it with another customer or another client who uses Unbounce, so that way they can use the exact same landing page that you use. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download an Unbounce landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.